Everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's showtime with Bilal. So today I have very something important to discuss with you guys. It is about that if you're managing multiple Facebook ad accounts and you're constantly worrying about bans or flags, maybe Meta is blocking your account. Maybe it could be ad account or personal profile. So yeah, obviously I've been there, and switching between clients' accounts on the same device can trigger Facebook's detection system faster than you think, right? So today I thought that it is the time finally to introduce to you guys my special weapon, because most of the times I've been approached by marketeers and agency owners that how to resolve this issue. So this is the tool, which it's a Go login tool which I've been using for years, and honestly, I have never faced a significant ban on Meta or my own even a Facebook profile since. So it's called Go Login. If you can see, this is the website. You can even on the homepage, on the landing page, you can see anti-detect browser to manage LinkedIn accounts, eBay. So this account, this tool is not just limited to Facebook or Meta. You can use it for your Google accounts, your LinkedIn ABM if you're outreaching someone. Yeah, that's exactly why I started using Go Login, because it's a perfect and professional shield for digital marketers and agencies. So, with Go Login, as you can see on the website, it's an anti-detect browser because every client account runs in a completely separate browser profile. It's not like that using all the accounts under one your browser profile, because when you're using Go Login, you will be having your own fingerprint, cookies, and IP. So it is just kind of like consider it as an you're using a different computer for each client. You're not using just one device, but for example, if I have five clients and if I'm using Go Login plan, then it is like I'm using a different five different computers for different five clients, right? So think it as your agency's digital shield, and it is very important in this era. So it's the only way to manage multiple high stakes clients ad accounts from one machine without Facebook linking them all together. And if you can see, it says right over here that anti-detect browser for managing multiple accounts on a single device. If you can click on features as well, so here you go. Account protection, unified dashboard, built-in proxies, API automation as well. Here is the demo. And even it will provide you your own browser fingerprint protection, device fingerprint, and many more. So consider it as your agency's digital shield. Yeah, so as I mentioned that every client is going to have their own profile. It's like creating a new profile for your each client with the free residential proxy, and boom, Facebook sees each one as a unique user. No overlap, no red flags, or no bans. You can even change the device settings, you can change the resolution. There are multiple things which I will be showing you by using this tool right now. And I'll show you how to create your profile and how to run for each of your client differently. Okay, now, so I will show you how to use your Go Login account. First of all, you have to click the link I have mentioned in the description. Simply sign up for your account and you will be redirected to this screen where you have to download your browser. It could be for Mac or Windows. Once you download this application, you have to sign up using your account, and here you will be seeing this screen. This is the main page. Okay, so here you go. For example, there's one client I have created that is specifically from Canada. So obviously, if I am managing someone from Canada, then the device settings, my IP, my digital fingerprints should reflect that I am based in Canada, right? So this one is for another client. Then, for example, you have to manage all the clients which you are managing the Facebook ads, and they are based out in UK, United Kingdom. Location you can see, you can put them there. So, for example, let's click this one. You can simply click on run, and boom, at the bottom you can see. Here you go. So this profile means now the digital fingerprints will be showing you're based out in USA. Let's go for another account, which is UK Facebook, click on it, and boom, at the bottom it says this. So now you can easily manage your account and use this tool Go Login as your digital shield. And I'm sure once you start using this tool, there will be no bans, there will be no spoofing, there will be no account banned by Meta for you in the future. So as discussed, you can go to their website, which is gologin.com, and you can click for Mac or any of your browser, right? And also one more thing, that it includes free proxy, which I'm sure not any no any other tool is providing you with the free proxy, right? So I'm sure that this tool is mainly for marketeers and agencies who are looking for a safer scaling, right? You can run ads for like 5, 10, even 50 clients without risking your business, without getting your account banned. And if you work with the team, GoLogin even offers you a collaboration, which is very simple. You can simply and securely share your profiles as well with your team members or anyone working with you. So I'm what I would like to say at the end, that stop running all your business from one vulnerable browser and protect your clients, protect your income, because once your account got banned, and I'm sure it will eventually impact your income and your income stream, right? So thank you for looking and going through all the video with me. So, if you're serious about protecting your ad account and scaling safely, I would recommend to go and check out GoLogin. And you can go and select download or start your trial. And in the description, I will be adding my link. You can click on it and try it for yourself. Try it now. You will never worry about getting globally banned again. Thank you for watching my videos and have a great day. Bye bye.